For the 2018 iPhones, I went with a yellow and gold theme. But now that it's 2019, it is out with the gold and in with the green. Welcome to the unboxing of the green iPhone 11 and the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. All right, let's start with taking off the cellophane. There we go. By the way, I picked this up in 256 gig, and I got the Max in the Max, 512 gigabyte. I always like to get the most storage on the iPhone because you cannot expand it. Whoa, look at that. I think I chose right for the 11. What about the Pro? Look at that. Let's take them out of the boxes. All right. In terms of anything new inside the box, seems to be pretty standard fare for the 11. And for the Pro Max, oh yeah, they got that beefy charger there. All right, everything else is status quo. All right, now let's take off the wrap part. Nice and slow with this guy. Whoa, excuse me. Here we go. There we go. Anything on the back? Don't see anything on the back. Real quick now, here is the midnight green. All right, put that off to the side. There you have it. I'm going green this year. I mean, this is what I mean by going green. None of that other stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Seeing these two colors in person, obviously the lighter green is more attractive. And as expected, the midnight green is more subtle. Got a frosty back here versus glass here, but frosty around the camera and clear around the cameras here. Here's the green in the setting sunlight. And then this one. Next to each other. Going green. Just trying to give you a nice look at these two new colors for the iPhone. With the Pro, they are trying to be more professional looking with less flashy colors. And at the Apple Store, I did notice that with the regular 11, it's a little more of a pastel theme. Here, let's show you the 11 versus the 10R of last year. Got it in yellow last time. Now the new yellow I noticed is more of a pastel yellow in keeping with that theme. And then their purple is kind of a sad purple, not really a purple, very faint, very pastel. I actually prefer the yellow on the 10R to the 11. The main advantage of the yellow 11 is that the edges are more of a pure yellow, whereas last year it was this gold color. But this part is better on the 10R than on the 11 after seeing and comparing the phones in person. But this green is quite lovely. If you are inclined to buy the iPhone 11, I recommend getting it in either the green or the red. The red was quite nice in person. But I had to go green here, keeping a green theme. Let's put that off to the side. Now let's show you the new color of this year, Midnight Green, versus the new color of last year for the higher edition. That was the gold. Gold was new on the 10S. And I didn't get the Max this time. This is my first time with a Max. Let's see the color comparison. There we go. Interesting to see how this feels day to day, because the smaller iPhone XS or 11 Pro feels so good in the hand. It's just like the perfect sized phone. So we'll see how the Max plays out. But there you have it. Going green with the iPhone 11. 11 Pro Max, Midnight Green versus 11 in regular green. I mean, ideally, I'd like to merge the two, have all the capabilities of the Pro, but still have the lovely color of the 11. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you're watching this long, you must really love the iPhone 11, because there's not much else to this video. All right. iPhone 11 going green. Which color are you getting?